Question 1. Who was the first Indian mission to Mars? Answer: Mangalyaan. Question 2. Who was the first Indian interplanetary mission? Answer: Mangalyaan. Question 3. Who was the first Indian Sun mission? Answer: Aditya L1. Question 4. Who was the first Indian rocket? Answer: RH-75. Question 5. Who was the first Indian satellite launched by SLV-3? Answer: Rohini satellite. Question 6. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Physics? Answer: C.V. Raman. Question 7. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Chemistry? Answer: Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Question 8. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Medicine? Answer: Har Gobind Khorana. Question 9. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Economics? Answer: Amartya Sen. Question 10. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Peace? Answer: Kailash Satyarthi. Question 11. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Literature? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Question 12. Who was the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award? Answer: all of them. Question 13. Who was the first Indian woman to receive Bharat Ratna? Answer: Indira Gandhi. Question 14. Who was the first Indian cricketer to receive Bharat Ratna? Answer: Sachin Tendulkar. Question 15. Who was the first Indian to receive Magsaysay Award? Answer: Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Question 16. Who was the first Indian woman to receive Magsaysay Award? Answer: Mother Teresa. Question 17. Who was the first Indian to receive Oscar Award? Answer: Bhanu Athi. Question 18. Who was the first Indian to receive Honorary Oscar Award? Answer: Satyajit Ray. Question 19. Who was the first Indian to win Grammy Award? Answer: Pandit Ravi Shankar. Question 20. Who was the first Indian woman to win Grammy Award? Answer: Tanvi Shah. Question 21. Who was the first Indian to win Booker Prize? Answer: Arundhati Roy. Question 22. Who was the first Indian woman to win Booker Prize? Answer: Arundhati Roy. Question 23. Who was the first Indian to win Man Booker International Prize? Answer: Geetanjali Shri. Question 24. Who was the first Indian to win Jnanpith Award? Answer: G. Sankara Kurup. Question 25. Who was the first Indian woman to win Jnanpith Award? Answer: Ashapurna Devi. Question 26. Who was the first Indian to receive Saraswati Samman? Answer: Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Question 27. Who was the first Indian to win Sahitya Akademi Award? Answer: R.K. Narayan. Question 28. Who was the first Indian woman to win Sahitya Akademi Award? Answer: Amrita Pritam. Question 29. Who was the first Indian to receive Templeton Prize? Answer: Mother Teresa. Question 30. Who was the first Indian to receive Abel Prize? Answer: C.R. Rao. Question 31. Who was the first Indian to win Fields Medal? Answer: Manjul Bhargava. Question 32. Who was the first Indian to win Turing Award? Answer: Raj Reddy. Question 33. Who was the first Indian to win Abel Prize in Mathematics? Answer: C.R. Rao. Question 34. Who was the first Indian scientist to receive Fellowship of Royal Society? Answer: Jagdish Chandra Bose. Question 35. Who was the first Indian to be elected as President of ONGA? Answer: Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Question 36. Who was the first Indian judge of International Court of Justice? Answer: B.N. Rao. Question 37. Who was the first Indian President of International Court of Justice? Answer: Nagendra Singh. Question 38. Who was the first Indian woman judge of International Court of Justice? Answer, none. Question 39. Who was the first Indian woman president of ONGA? Answer, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Question 40. Who was the first Indian to become Secretary General of Commonwealth? Answer, Kamlesh Sharma. Question 41. Who was the first Indian to become Secretary General of SARC? Answer, Kant Kishore Bhargava. Question 42. Who was the first Indian to become President of WHO? Answer, Dr. A.L. Mudaliar. Question 43. Who was the first Indian to become President of UNESCO? Answer, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Question 44. Who was the first Indian woman to become President of UNESCO? Answer, none. Question 45. Who was the first Indian to become President of ILO? Answer, V.V. Giri. Question 46. Who was the first Indian woman to become President of ILO? Answer, none. Question 47. Who was the first Indian to become Director General of WHO? Answer, none. Question 48. Who was the first Indian to become Chairman of UNESCO Executive Board? Answer, Dr. Radhakrishnan. Question 49. Who was the first Indian to become President of FAO? Answer, C. Subramaniam. Question 50. Who was the first Indian to become President of UNICEF? Answer, none.